Here you see a crew working on a city street, and they're doing crack repair, and they're taking our Insta Pave crack repair. It's a 2-part mix through our ProCat dispensing device. As you see, they're casting on 610 sand that will provide traction. Ultra low viscosity allows it to seep through the 3/8 aggregate all the way to the bottom for bonding, and the crew is throwing on 610 sand once again for traction. The polycarbonate with nanotechnology is designed so a 10-minute quick cure is in play. You can put it down, clean it up, and drive on it 10 minutes later.